Fixture library for SolidWorks. In assembly document, from the design library, close begin assembly and open design library. Maybe some part. Oh, okay. Left mouse button, click and holding the drag on the working field and drop. Or the toolbox. She's need adding now. After loading toolbox library, all here component available. ANSI image. Some bolts. And now tap and hold left mouse button, drag on the work field and drop LMB. Configure component and OK. Set parameters, properties and another. Size, length,